Good morning.
My name is Sheila. What's your name?
Elsa.
You're not Elsa today. Your name is Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Yes. And today we are going to make banana bread.
Banana bread.
So what happened was we bought some bananas and they got kind of like overheated beside the toaster oven. So we're going to make banana bread with them.
Yeah.
All right. This is Evelyn. She's going to start by mashing the bananas.
Yeah.
Okay. She's using the potato masher to mash the bananas.
I'm very loud.
You're very loud, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do you like about cooking, Evelyn? Is it something Daddy enjoys?
Yeah.
So you like doing things Daddy enjoys?
Yeah.
Yeah. But Daddy doesn't like baking, does he?
Yeah, I like baking.
Yeah, I do too. I love baking. I don't like cooking like Daddy does. He enjoys it. Can't reach the flour. Okay, got it. All right, so.
Mommy.
Oh, wow, that's fun. All right, I accidentally knocked things over trying to get the flour out.
I try
Okay,
it.
let's not try everything before it's ready, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're
You mash
going to
it.
need... Oh, is it my turn to mash?
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm getting all the ingredients.
I put the oil in.
Yeah?
I get this in the little oil.
Oh, no, we don't need that one. We will need this. Nope. That is a spatula for getting things out of the toaster oven. But we will need that.
I need
Okay.
an
Keep smashing. Yep, keep on smashing. We'll need this because we're going to... Oh, don't put that back in there. That's dirty, baby. Ay. We're going to have to wash all of those now. All right. Are you smashing? All right.